Good morning, all. Today is the 16th of February 2016. Uh, I'm coming back from President's Day holiday. So what's going on? I've been following this overnight. Yesterday, noticed a huge pop in the Globex session, like around 5 o'clock Central Time. I noticed there was a huge rally in price. So, just recap, I think we're in the buy the rumor, sell the news kind of scenario. So this day is when when this reversal day happened, there was a news on potential OPEC production cut, and so this is a continuation, and this is another continuation of that fact. So now supposedly there is a meeting between the four countries that they will cut production only if others participate. So I think that's kind of a deceptive thing to say because all these countries being in the all this um, issues with Iran and Russia bombing in the Middle East. I can't see how they could all collaborate, when there's that kind of tension in the air. So my thinking today is to watch these levels and whether it'll hold, because I think you might have potential rollover here, for the big money to cover their shorts before this thing even could take off and go up, right? So as you can see, there's a huge rejection right there at this level, and so we'll do a technical analysis here. Let's see. Let's pull where. Let's see. Sell zone. Sell zone. So I got. But see, I have this level right here for a sell, and sure enough, around that area, it started to stall. So I got a sell zone there. So you can see price got rejected, so now it's coming back down. Uh, and then at the same time, uh, there is a buy zone on that level that I was looking at, and I marked it here. So as you can see, right now it's kind of hanging around there. So $29 is kind of where I'm looking to be supported. So around here, around this area right here is where I'm looking to participate. So right now, you got about 40 cents of difference in there. So will I trade this to the short side? Absolutely, and then flip it back for for another for a long. So short, if it ever goes down there, I'll short it, and if it comes back up, comes back down to that level, then I'll look to buy. Um, so right now there's this huge signal right here. I don't know if that's really quite a support because right now, you got about downtrending, but I am looking for a potential bounce just because this thing already sold off about $2. So actually $2, yeah. And a gap in price. We're not even in. We haven't been, or I guess expiration is coming up soon here in the week, and I'm expecting maybe. Uh, so a few things that I'm thinking about. One, it will just do a sideways move, waiting for this meeting to take place. Supposedly, right now, there's a meeting taking place between all this big oil producers of whether they should cut or not. I'm highly doubting that that's ever going to work. So I'm going to wait for opportunity to sell, right? Am I going to long right now? Maybe. Right now it's about. I'm going to wait till the morning session opens up in about 30 minutes. So sure enough, yeah, this thing is going to rally up and maybe look to sell around the $30 level. So, anyways, I look for an opportunity to maybe long here, long this price, and then and then come back up, because right now on the 15th it looked like it's just going to be a it'll flag and then it'll sell off again. So in the meanwhile, I'll pause the video and come right back. Hopefully I can capture some trades. I'll be back. So I took a quick trade here just to see, get a feeler trade here. Took it at 55 right when this candle's spiking up. I shorted there, see if I can get 10 cents real quick. Double bottom right there, so I better, if I get stopped out, I get stopped out, I guess. I was hoping to shoot back down and see if I can get a quick trade here. So 52. So worst case, I got 60 bucks locked in here. Let's see if it'll come back up. But it's a no losing trade, so that's always a good thing. So we shall see. We shall see what happened here. Signal a high, so now it's probably just a consolidation. And anyways, I'll pause the video, I'll come back. Okay, so one got hit already, I'm just waiting on the other one. I'll be back. Okay, forgot my trades again. This one I move it break even now. I got stopped out like 3 times. So I don't know, I'm even thinking about taking profits here, but I really believe this thing is gonna go up to this level right there. So I'm targeting that one. I have my target set at 92. So hopefully that this is a catalyst. You see it's making a higher high now. I'm really hoping for a huge swing today. $30 I'm assuming. So I have a couple of let's see here, I got a couple of catalysts here that I can bring this price up a little bit before the open. So that's kind of what my hopes and expectation that's going to take place is that I might get a rally here. So I think a break of 66 would put me in a safe spot. In the meanwhile, I'll just make this one a break even, if anything, because actually I'm on this danger zone, and I should have even moved my stop, to be honest, but I'm already so if this one breaks, I'll just put it to 47. That puts me into 10 ticks at least. But I'm gonna be disciplined. I'm gonna try to hold this thing here and see. Hopefully I get this, I can actually catch this huge rally, you know, even to the 3014 level, $30. So we'll see how it plays here. If it's strong, you know, I'll hold on to it. If it's bad, then I'll just ditch it. So right now it looks like it's wanting to poke its head, and there you go, it poked it. So alright, so I'm gonna move it to 47 here, so at least I can get me 10 ticks at worst. So even look, I'll take 43. So at least I'll get a win. I just don't want to get stopped out too soon here. He hasn't even retraced and test this level. So really, yeah, I'll just put it there. I'll be disciplined, 2 ticks. In the meanwhile, I'll come back. Hopefully I can get some kind of a capitulation here, 30.45 even. So I'm just trying to. What I'm doing right now is I'm just trying to price the market and see where it's heading. So right now I have my price at about $30. So you can see there. So I might even adjust it a little bit just because I think I don't want to be too greedy here. So yeah, about 30.92 is probably a good price to sell. So we shall see. I'm already on this one, so hopefully it doesn't take me out here. I'm just hoping, you know, I'll get some win here. I get a, you know, if I get a push up, you know, it's already been tested several times, so that's kind of my idea as to why I took it, is because I think it'll try to blast through here. It was having a hard time blasting through 50 in the 50s, so it blasted through that. I'm just hoping I can stay long enough that I could actually get a win here. So We shall see. We shall see. I'm just waiting for a pop here. So I'll pause that on. I'll pause the video and come back. So I got some weakness here. I decided to move my stop. I was expecting a shoot up, but it doesn't look like it's doing that. It keeps poking its head on 57, around 60 area. It keeps getting rejected. So I don't know if my thesis is right, but I have it. As you can see, I've already moved my stop to at least I can get the 2-to-1 that I was searching for. So worst case is I made that win and see if I can capture a lot more of this leg because from 37 to 92 is quite substantial. So we shall see. So around this area, I'm gonna look to ditch it because I got a feeling it's gonna come back. It's gonna shoot up here. So right now I'm in pretty good position. I just hope I can ride along long enough that I can actually get some good profits here. So and meanwhile, I'll hang around because 8 o'clock is gonna open. I'm getting nervous. I got a feeling it's gonna shoot down, stop me out, and then come back up. Is kind of my thinking, but I'm looking at the 3 minutes here, so I'm hoping that it bumps its head on the 50, so I'm hoping it finds support there, and then just kind of hover around this area, and so my stop is like right there at that dead pivot low. So hopefully it shoots around here and then plays around, and finally it comes back to this level here. So like about $30 is what I was looking to sell. So or maybe lower than that, 30.90 around that area. So I'm expecting some to stall here if it goes up 30.90. So it might stall there and kind of hover around and come back up. So anyways, in either direction, I'm already positioned for that. So as you can see, he's just having a hard time trying to poke its head to 60. Keeps getting rejected. If it keeps getting rejected there, then this thing is going to come down in price a little bit before it comes back up. So at that point, I'm already prepared. If I get stopped out, I'm gonna look to buy it again around this area, especially around 37. So hopefully it doesn't roll out of bed here, and we shall see. I'm very close for getting stopped out here. Hopefully it uses 50 as a support level. So I'll be back. So it's doing what I wanted to do now. Right now I'm just trailing my stop. That's a pretty good move. 57. So I'm right here at this area. So if it goes up there, I'm gonna look to repurchase at 57. So right now I'm just waiting at wait, maybe 60. No, I'll just move it to 51. Okay, so around this level, 50. Oh, what happened? Oh, I just got jigged out there. I don't know what happened, but I just got jigged out. Oh man, 74. See, it's so quickly. 8 o'clock rolled around and it starts selling off. That's okay. I got a trade there. I'm gonna try to repurchase it again around. I don't know. I'm debating 37 maybe, but I'll be back. Okay, so I took another trade long. I just got filled right away. It was quick. Took it at 56 and shot up to 69. So I think it's going to be a strong rally, and like I said, I got stopped out. I should have purchased it here again where I purchased from the beginning, but I got too occupied here. So I think it's going to be strong. The move is to the upside here. It has to be because it had moved $2 already. So but it just keeps getting rejected. So I think I'm gonna try to play the long side here, but this level for some reason just keeps getting rejected. So I'll come back again. We'll see. Let's do a quick market analysis. It's no surprise. The mini S&P rallying. Watch for this level right here, 1900. You might get rejected there. But right now it looks like it's in a downtrending channel. Gold gold. This is my biggest regret. I came in a little too early into the party, and even though I lost on my sim account, I mean, look where it is now. Look where it's going. So um, I might look to long this actually if I see a reversal in the E-mini S&P or in the indices, and so the dollars look like it's going to hold it, but I think 95 might be a more interesting place to buy around this level right here. We shall see, because otherwise, retracement, yeah, 89, $90 probably where it will it will first get retested in this 70 level right here. Anyways, I'll come back. It looks like it's just jigging around this thing. Keep in mind, rollover is going to happen now. Um, Contract rollover, I think it's going to happen. I think it's either this Friday or Thursday. I'm not sure. But this is the third. This is going to be the third Tuesday. I mean, third Thursday of the month. So I think it's going to expire here right now. So I'll be back. I took a little break back from breakfast. Uh, Decided not to play this range here because as you can notice that the movement to the up and down side is very wicky, and you can see here there's a little bit of indecision. Now it just barely popped, so now I'm hoping it uses this 50 57 level around there to use as support till it'll pop to the upside. So I think this one's probably been my best trade so far. Let's see, my inner 37. So that was a good one, but I missed the exit, or didn't quite hit my target. So in any event, I'll be right back. I mean, right now, like I said, this thing is gonna wait for a news result. That's why it's just kind of sitting around here, swinging very fast in all directions. So, anyways, I'll be right back. Really, there it went real quick. So this is my last trade. 29.56 entry long, exit is 66. As you can see, it happened in 4 seconds. So that's what I meant by the quickness of price movement, and with my 5 ticks, I don't think it's gonna happen trading this kind of mess here. So, anyways, I'll be back. So, look, waiting for the for any move here. I was looking at news of what time this whole meeting is going to end for Russia and all the other oil producer. I noticed this 40 bid at 82 came back again, went back up, and purchased some more around this area, and look where the price shot up from there. So this was happening right here, um, and as you can see from there, from 40 quickly went up to 20 cents or so, 24 cents. So that's what I mean by I don't know, I think I've mentioned in the past about combining your tape reading skills and chart formation. But right now, do I really want to lose my money on this? You see how fast it runs up and also how fast it sells off. Like I said, this week is a rollover contract rollover for the week. So that's why I think this is why the spread is just making it's using the news to move contracts around, and you could see that spread between the range. you know they keep it very tight so they can transfer over from one contract to another the front month. Anyhow, I think this is all the price action I'm going to get, and I don't think I want to participate in this. It's just because there's not really a follow through, so you just have to be really clever to get in and out of this get in and out of this. So anyways, I think I'm done for today. I didn't meet my target. I really want to make you know 20 ticks at least today, but my last three trades were, I have one scratch right there. I was trying to long it and didn't quite pan out, so I quickly got out just because I knew the sideways action that was taking place. In any event, thank you for taking the time to watch the video. I notice my videos are getting longer, so if you wish, you can just put it on speed, like twice the speed or something. I always do it. Anyhow, thank you for taking the time to watch the video. I certainly appreciate it. If you like the video, click the like button and subscribe so you can get my my latest and greatest as far as a video post. So anyways, y'all have a good one. Have a safe trade out there. I'll see you on the next video.